Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and get it started. Excuse me. Hey, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. It's Tuesday. I mean, happy belated Memorial Day. But I'm about to go ahead and get this started. I want to let y'all know, first things first, glory be to God. And second, the home internet is out right now. So I'm using my hotspot on my phone to run this stream. I want to let you guys know if anything happens to the stream, it's because my phone cannot handle the streaming and the trading. So I'm just letting you know the home internet is out right now because we've been having an outage, like a power outage all over. So the internet trying to get back on, people's power trying to come back on. So we have a lot of outages right now in the area. But I'm using my hotspot off my phone. So if the stream does cut out, let me know. If the chat does act laggy, you will know why. If the stream is laggy, you will know why. My internet is out on my home, but I'm using my hotspot on my phone. But we're gonna get it. I mean, we're gonna see how strong it can hang, you know. Other than that, hey, thank you, Gene. Let's get to that word. I know that's what y'all want. That's what I want. We need that. But anything happens, let me know. If it's lagging, if my words are not matching my movements in my face, you know why. I'm sorry in advance. But let's get it. But yeah, also look. Guess what dropped last night? 90% off. Use that code, that guy. You hear me? You hear me? Use that code. 90% off. Go get them. I'm about to buy me a few for real. Let's get it. Alright. And also link is in the chat. So you look in the chat at the top, it's pinned at the top of the chat. Or at the top of the chat. Look at the chat. The link is right there. And type in that code, that guy, and get 90% off on all your accounts. It ends tomorrow at 11:59. Let's get it, team. James chapter 1 verse 12. Blessed is the one who perseveres under trial, because having stood the test, that person will receive the crown of life that the Lord has promised to those who love him. So when we stand that test, we stand those trials, going through these hard times in these situations. And when we get through these times, the Lord is going to bless us with the crown of life, right? Because he loves us. That's James chapter 1, verse 12. So when you're going through those trials, you're going through them hard times, them hiccups, them roadblocks, them craters in your life, remember, at the end of that, God is going to be standing right there waiting to bless you with the crown of life. Glory be to God. Also, Psalms chapter 15, verse 2. The one whose walk is blameless, who does what is righteous. Forgive me, the one who righteous, who speaks the truth from their hearts, whose tongue utters no slander, who does no wrong to a neighbor, and casts no slur on others, who despises a vile person, but honors those who fear the Lord. Man, who keeps an oath even when it hurts, and does not change their mind, who lends money to the poor without interest, who does not accept a bribe against the innocent. Whoever does these things will never be shaken, right? So if you walk blameless, do righteousness, speak the truth from your heart, you don't slander nobody else, you don't do your neighbors wrong, you don't slur on others, you don't despise others, and you honor is in the Lord, fearing the Lord, man, you can never go wrong, right? God loves that. He's going to bless you for that. Because there are going to be times when you're going to be tested. There are going to be times when you're going through trials. There are going to be times when you want to say things, think things, do things that are not holy. Give it to the Lord, and he's going to bless you. God bless y'all. Let's get into it. Man, right now, we're having a trial. I mean, if the internet goes out, it is. If the stream goes out, it is what it is. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. But other than that, let's get it. All right, let's get it. Let's see what we got, man. Yesterday we didn't have no big move. Yesterday was Memorial Day, bank holiday. We didn't have no news. All right, let's see what else we got. Let's see on the daily. All right, so you see that we were having this rejection on this 4 hour on the daily, right? Nice rejection. We broke this low right here. Broke this low right here. Boom. Came back up, rejected it again, tapped into some liquidity. Now we back up here. So let's see. Are we going to continue to push higher? Are we going to come back lower? We're going to see, guys. I'm not sure, but we're going to see. Because it still looks like range. To me, even though we got that break, I like for us to get out of this range. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to see us in this range. Today's looking like a see money, take money type of day. Let's see if we got any news. See if we got any news, big news, anything, because I haven't really checked. 8:30. Ooh, 8:30 we have CPI. 9 o'clock we got cash rate, official cash rate. Ooh, monetary policy. Yeah, we got some news. 8:30, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Yeah. Yes, sir. We got some news coming up. We gotta be mindful with this news too. So let's be mindful of what's going on too. If y'all see any news, if y'all like, if I'm talking too much and news is coming out, please let me know. It's like, Quasi, you got 10 minutes before this drops. 5 minutes before this drop. Please let me know in the chat so I can be on it. All right. Market opens up in 20 more minutes. Let's start charting. Let's see what we got. Let me get rid of this line. I'm just letting y'all know again. If the charts start lagging, I'm sorry, because the home internet is out. I'm using my hotspot on my phone. So if it's lagging or the stream cuts, I'm sorry, I'm waiting for the internet because we have a lot of outages in the area. A lot of outages, power outages in the area. So bear with me. All right. Let's see what we got. Let's look down at the 4 hours. So on the daily, still look range bound. We still like we in the range. We're opening with a range. I don't like it. We're gonna see if we can tap into some higher zones to see if we can get some rejection or some respect. We're gonna see. Let's look at a 4 hour on NQ. On NQ. Okay. Huh. Alright, so we do have a 4 hour below here, right here. Go ahead and put this 4 hour demand right here. Bop. What's good? What's up, Deontay? What's good, Deontay? Also, look, y'all. 90% off. Hey. You wanna go get that 90% off? Go get that. That's nice. 90% off. They just dropped yesterday. They end tomorrow at 11:59 Eastern time. Go get you some accounts. Yeah, that's a good deal. 90% off on all evals. Psh, come on, y'all. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. Look at the chat. It's in the chat. Link is pinned to the chat. Look it up. Hey, just being you. That's all that matters, man. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Look at a 4 hour on ES. See what we got. All right, so we got a supply zone, a 4 hour supply on ES, right? See if we come into this and reject. We're gonna see. But we also got some liquidity that lies above. So we're gonna see if we're gonna either respect this or go for that liquidity above. And we also got some liquidity below. So we got liquidity above on NQ. We got a sell side liquidity below on ES. I mean on NQ. So let me see. Let me put this right here. Bow. We're gonna name this sell side liquidity, right? Bam. Right above. Buy side liquidity, right? Bam. But we in range. We're in the middle of range. I want to see us take out one of these sides first. If we don't take it out, then we might be the range bound. But we're going to have to wait for our play. We got a 1 hour. Well, actually, it's not a 1 hour. It's a 4 hour. 4 hour supply. I mean, 4 hour demand, right? 4 hour demand. We're charting right now. Potential zones that we can bounce off of. Sell side right here. Sell side right there on ES. Sell side on ES. I hope y'all having a good day, a good morning too. Buy side on ES. Right. 4 hour on ES. What is this? A 4 hour fair value gap? I'm gonna get rid of that. I don't want that no more. Let me also get rid of this. Hold on, let me look at ES real quick. We bounced off that perfectly. My goodness. Get rid of that. We got a 4 hour demand zone right here. Get out of my way. Big zone too. Big zone. 4 hour right there. All right, so we got a 4 hour demand zone on ES and on NQ2. What I consider this, we have a gap. Look at this gap. Y'all see this gap on both ES and NQ? We have a gap. So we might get some longs. I mean, we might get some shorts. We're gonna see. Bow. I would like to see this area get filled. See, I would like to see that get filled. We're gonna see. You know, nobody knows where the market gonna go. All we can do is predict, have theories, have zones, have charts, have supply and demand to add to our strategy, and then we'll execute. Right? Market opens up in like 17 more minutes. We have news at 8:30, 9 o'clock, 9:10, 10 o'clock. Cash rate, CPI, monetary policies. We have a good bit of stuff coming out. You know, we don't want to just jump into a trade just yet. We want to make sure that we're on the right side of the market, okay? Make sure we're on the right side of the market. All right? Let's see what else we can find. Remember, this is not a race. You know, you want to take your time and really look at this market, see where it might go. Let me get rid of these little circles because it could be just in the way. Look at a 4 hour again. We had a rejection point on the 4 hour, but we broke. That would have been nice. We have sell side liquidity. Look at the daily one more time. We bounced at this spot right here. Man, this look long. I ain't gonna lie. But to me, it looks like range. I'm gonna be honest. It looks like range. Look at the daily on ES. See on ES. For sure. Yeah, let me put this right here. I want to see something right here. This was a daily fair value gap right here. A daily IFVG. Wow. Look at a 4 hour. Did it bounce? Wow, perfectly. Hey, yo. Hey, if we come down for some shorts, I want to see us bounce. If we stay above this, I want to see us go long. If we stay above this previous day high, that'd be nice. If we can stay above this previous day high, I want to see us go long. Because remember, the high time frame is still long, right? We're still long regardless. On a high time frame, we're still long. But on a daily, it looks sideways. But we're going to see. We're going to see. We're going to give it to God to give us some answers. We had a bounce at this 1 hour. Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of this. Because this is old stuff I'm looking at. Old stuff. Let me get rid of that. Let's go get rid of that. Alright. See. Go down to 1 hour. 1 hour. We also got a 1 hour fair value gap down here. Man, we got a lot to fill. There's a lot of imbalances everywhere. A lot of them. So serious. One hour fair value gap right here. All right, we're just putting these ons. All right, let's get it. Excuse me. See what else we got. Right now, we just charting, y'all. We just charting. Once this market open, we'll see where this market can go. We're respecting that. Hey, we're gonna see if these shorts come in because they're looking short. To me, it's looking short, but the high time frame is still long. Want to see if we're gonna go for either which side sells out, which side of liquidity are we gonna tap into this week? We're gonna see. Either we're gonna be on the short side or the long side. But sometime today or this week, we're gonna tap into one of these liquidities. I have a feeling about it. I just want to make sure I'm on the right side of the market when it does open and starts heading a certain direction. We're gonna see. Also, look at this 4 hour. We can get a break above this high right here on a 4 hour. Right? Let's look at this one right here on ES. We're getting a rejection point at this 4 hour supply zone. We're gonna see. We might end up pushing higher and then coming back down. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Just want to get more confirmation first before I take a trade. What's up, Kingdom? Gene, Deontay, Leah. Oh, man. Let's go. No volume in this market. We're just waiting for market open, which opens in 10 more minutes. Remember, we have news at 8:30. We also have news at 9 o'clock, news at 9:10, and news at 10 o'clock. I repeat, we have news. So I want to be mindful of what we're looking at, you know? Say it one more time. 8:30 CPI, 9 o'clock official cash rate and monetary policy. 9:10 we have FMOC Waller speaks, which I don't know why he moves the market heavily. And RBNZ press conference at 10 o'clock. Oh, that's 10 p.m. Never mind. So we have news at 8:30, 9 o'clock, 9:10. So within that 8 o'clock to 9:10, there's news. So we're going to have a lot of volatility. And I like trading news. I like when news come out, I get to see where the market can go aggressively so I can take my trade. Let's get it. How was the weekend, brother? Man, the weekend was good. I mean, I can't complain. Had spent a lot of time with the family. It was real good. I mean, the kids just kept us busy, but it was cool. I can't complain though. How was y'all's weekend? Was it good? Was it something that y'all expected? You know, let me know in the chat. Man, I'm surprised. Thank God this stream is holding up. Amazing. Love you too. Love you too, D-Star. Right, let's get it. Let's get it. Come on. We got 8 more minutes until market open. I'm not taking no trades until market open. Because we are in this we in this range. I want to make sure that I'm not getting caught up in this range. Dang, really? Goodness. Since she was 11? That's crazy. Wow. That's crazy. That's something. What in the world? You made me feel old. I'm not even that old. Amazing. Just waiting for this market to open, y'all, so we can take these trades. Seven more minutes. We have 7 more minutes. Let me keep looking. Let me just let me keep looking and see where we might go. Be honest with you, it does look long. It looks long. It looks like we're not gonna touch that sell side just yet. Been watching since he was 11. Oh my goodness. That's a long time. Really though. I might add some light in here. Hey, I'll be right back. Give me a second. I'm gonna be right next to the computer, but I gotta add some light in here. Aha. See if this help anything. Make sure I'm not like overly bright, you know what I'm saying? This daylight looking cloudy. It might start raining. Actually, it's straight. I'm not gonna lie, it's straight. It's a little. I'm gonna use it just in case it gets dark. If it starts raining, because remember, we've been having a lot of outages. I want to let y'all know I'm on my hotspot on my phone. I'm on a hotspot. The home internet is out right now because outages are all over the city. But it's cloudy and it might start raining. So if it gets start getting darker, then I'm gonna throw up the light. You know, I'm gonna throw up the light, but I'm gonna have it prepared just in case. So I can show it. Market opens up in like 5 more minutes. So if it starts getting dark in here, rainy like, it's the clouds. And I'm gonna throw this bad boy on just in case it, gets darker. Just in case it gets darker, y'all. Gotta be prepared. There we go. Just in case. Market opens up in 5 more minutes. Alright, let's reevaluate these charts one more time. Alright, so we had a big push. Had a big bounce right here off this daily fair value gap. Had a big bounce off this range right here. This high. Boom. Go down to a 4-hour. Constantly built up. Came up into these highs. Didn't break these highs. But we're going to see if we continue to go longer. We're going to see. Go down to 4-hour on ES. Broke this high. Now we're pushing higher. ES looks long. NQ looks, I don't know. It looks a little odd to me. We got 33 minutes until that candle closes. So we're going to see. We're going to see what happens, We're going to see. Because we didn't really get no good movement yesterday. It was Memorial Day yesterday. Everything was just rangy. Ooh, got a lot of negative delta. A lot of negative delta. This market about to get interesting. Ooh, that delta is crazy. All right, bet. Let me look at a 15-minute. Market's about to open in like 2 more minutes. It's about to get serious. 15-minute. We got a 15-minute right here. It's time to get serious. 15-minute demand right here. Let's get it, y'all. Like I said, if the computer turns off, that's the stream for the day because I am on hotspot on my phone to use as internet. Just to let y'all know, just a heads up. I'm on phone hotspot. Market's about to open in like 1 minute. 30 seconds. I'm about to set these quick zones. 15-minute. Not about to overthink it. 1 hour. 15-minute on NQ. 15-minute on NQ. Place that right there. We might have a big old drop. This drop about to come in for real. The 15-minute on NQ. The market's about to open in 10 seconds. Another 15-minute right here. Man, we got a lot of zones. Goodness, a lot of zones. Market's about to open. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Here come them sellers. I mean, that's cute and all. That's cute and all. But this, to me, this is range. Gotta be careful. If I'm not paying attention to the chat, please forgive me. Because I'm over here trying to trade, okay? If I'm not looking at chat, I'm sorry. I'm over here trading. I might take a short. Come on, stop above these highs right here. I just want to see what happens right here. Ooh. Quick rejection. Let's see. Hope we don't get no bounce right here. Yeah, we probably gonna get a bounce right here. We're gonna see. I probably got in too early. Delta's still high though. Let me take off 3. Down 85. I take that with 2 loss. I want to see us reject. I want to see a rejection. Unless we bounce at this 15-minute, which is not cute. Oh. Okay. Why did my phone just do that? Ah, should have added more than that. That's okay though. I want to see that Delta rejected. I don't want to see us popping right here. Come on, stop a little tighter. I'm about to add right here. All right, we up 700 on that play. 700 on that play. Nice. I got fumbled out because I was looking at the Delta and it was looking heavy, so I wasn't sure if it was going to bounce up and reject. But you know, ES is rejecting good. I just got afraid that we was going to get that bounce. I wanted to catch that good play right here and go take a little quick scout, but ES rejected. EX is bouncing off this 15-minute. It just shot through it, but I think it might retrace. It looks like it's going to retrace. We're going to see. We're going to see. Man, this Delta looking heavy. I'm not even kidding, y'all. It's looking heavy. My goodness. Oh my goodness, this thing is looking heavy. Let me see ES again. ES is on the 15-minute. I'm tripping. I forgot it had a 15-minute demand right here. What am I doing? 15-minute demand on ES, right? Also got a fair value gap by ES. See if we can get this bounce. See if this could be a bounce. Cause you might see these sellers trying to continue to push, but don't push no more, and then we might get a reversal. We're gonna see. 15-minute fair value gap. Delta is still looking negative 800. Here come that bounce. We might get that rejection. We're gonna see. Sellers ain't.
Keys?
Oh, no, I don't got them.
Okay.
You about to go?
Yeah.
Alright, be careful out there.
Alright, love you.
You in the room?
Yeah.
Alright. Love you too. Uh-oh. Are these buyers coming in? Delta's still negative. I want to be careful. I don't know if we're getting a rejection. I'm gonna have a hard time frame see. I think, ooh, we did have a nice little bounce right here. Amazing. Amazing. Hey, amazing how these sellers are not even pushing it down. So many sellers, but we're not continuing short. The delta is still negative 600. We're gonna see. Uh-oh. We're gonna see. That was a nice long, by the way. I should have took that. I mean, it's in range, really. We're trying to see if the sellers or the buyers are going to win this aggression, because we're going to see. It's looking aggressive on both ends, y'all. Can the sellers pull through? Got news at 9 o'clock, so we got 20 minutes until news. See if I say anything in the chat. We currently up 700 right now. All right, sellers. Here come the sellers. They came in. having that rejection. See if we can continue to push through. If we don't push through, then the buyers gonna come right back in. And the buyers are just absorbing the sellers, yo. Wow. The buyers are just absorbing the sellers. We're gonna see. Look at a 15-minute. We got 1 minute to this 15-minute prints, though. Can we get that breakthrough? Looking range bound. That's why I'm trying to stay out of a trade, because it's looking range bound. Trying to be careful and mindful that I don't get trapped up and get absorbed by these buyers. Because I'm looking for the shorts again. But then again, ES already tapped into that nice 15-minute demand. We also got 10 seconds into this 15-minute print, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see in 15 minutes. 10 seconds. Make sure that I don't get absorbed in this stuff. All right, 15 minutes just printed. The volume kind of low right now until we get some more confirmation that these loans coming in, which it looks like it. Let's see. And we're right below this previous day high. So, I mean, we're going to see if the short's going to continue to come through, or we're going to stay long. We're going to see, because we are in range. That's the thing. We're in range, and we bounce off all of these 15-minute demand zones. Look at these. 1, 2, 3. We got 3 of them. We're going to see. Can we pop higher? Are these buyers going to come through? Looks like it. Let me go ahead and add a long. Put my stop below this low right here. See if we can get some longs. I'm gonna add 15 more. See if we can get that push. There we go. Get that push. Get that push. There we go, there we go, there we go. Let's take out. That was a little tricky. I ain't gonna lie. That was a little tricky. Because the Delta, man, the Delta is... All of the sellers are being absorbed right now. Everybody that was trying to go short by this 15-minute, man, they just kept getting them up. Let's go. All right, so we up a band. Well, how much we up? 9. Oh, we up 982. I assume green means good. Hey, green always good, right? Everything green is good, except the one that the one that's on the toilet. Oh man, yeah. Green is good, my friend. It's good. It's good. It's good. All right, let me look at this delta one more time. Can we continue to push this on this delta? Let's see. We don't got no sellers, man. We ain't got no sellers on the print, man. This thing, and we have one seller, 549. Anybody coming right now? See if I can get out of this one. See, here they come. Nah, but we gotta push. We gotta push. Uh-oh, here they come. Here them boys come. See if we can continue to get that follow through though. Oh, we just printed. Uh-oh. And they got absorbed again. Sellers got absorbed again. Here come the buyers. Sellers got absorbed again. Here come the buyers. Here come the buyers. I'm adding. Here come the buyers. I'm adding. I'm in there. Took out. Up 1268. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, we doing good. Also, hey, come on, man. Don't forget. Hey, don't forget, man. Hey, we got 90% off on Apex today. Use that code, that guy, in the chat. Link is in the chat. The link is in the chat. Go get your 90% off. Sale ends tomorrow at 11:59 on Apex Trader Funding. Let's get it. Yes, sir. I mean, scalping this. You know what? I'm gonna get out this trade. I'm gonna get out this trade. All right, so we up 1262. I want to see how much we need to pass. Hold on. I think I passed it already. Let's see. Oh, I need 400 to pass. Okay, bet. Wait a minute. Wait, no. I'm on the wrong account. Oh, I've been trading the wrong account. Hey, yo, I'm tripping. I've been trading the ineligible one. Ah! Hey, let's get it, man. Let's get it. I'm tripping. What am I doing? Goofy. That's all good, though. Well, just found another trade. I can't believe that. I thought I was trading the actual one to pass. Amazing. All right, so I've been bamboozled. Thought I was trading my actual one I'm about to pass, but nope. I'm over here trading an ineligible account. Cause I was like, why is it not showing past already? All right, whatever. Let's get it. That's why it's good to always check your accounts. See where you at. Hey, it is. Hey, it is what it is. I mean, I ain't tripping. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. You know, I can buy so many accounts, but I've noticed myself. I go so heavy on these accounts, and I blow them so fast. Imagine you just spent 300 on 5 accounts, and all of a sudden it's like, So if you can't, if you can pass 5, you can at least pass 1. So it's good to work with 1 to make yourself slow down, because I've seen, man, that's always a talk about these accounts. You buy so many, then you're like, I'm blowing them too fast. I'm spending too much money. I gotta slow down. So I trade 1 at a time until I'm like, okay, yeah, now I can start buying a lot more. Let's do it. All right, so we in range. Let's see, we hitting this. Is this the Are we hitting that VWAP? Let's see, is this the VWAP? No, we're above the VWAP. Oh yeah, also I'm letting y'all know the stream is connected to my hotspot. So if the stream does, damn, I can't believe I was really trading the ineligible account. That hurts. We have news in 7 more minutes, so I'm gonna sit on hands until that news come out. Man, that sucks. But it's okay though. It is what it is. Pass or not pass, it is what it is. Thank God you get to live to trade another day, for sure. All right, let's look back at this delta. That was a nice little push. I like that push. See if we can get a better trade. Put this on a 5-minute. If we get a rejection, remove that, because that's irrelevant noise. We got news in 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes, we got news. I've been trading range the whole time. Looks like that push coming through. Oh no, we range bound. It's getting really choppy. Everybody's waiting for that news to come out. We're waiting on that news to come out. Once news come out, then But just let y'all know, if the stream does cut out, I'm on my. Oh, I'm sorry. I got this whole thing on the screen. I am so sorry. My bad, y'all. If I'm on a hotspot on my phone, just letting y'all know, I'm on my phone's hotspot because the home internet is out. There's a lot of outages around our area, so I've been using my phone hotspot. So if that does cut out the stream, it is what it is. Just letting y'all know. Got the breakout. Man, look at that. Man, look at that long. We still got this wick, but hey, this could bounce. We're gonna see. Look at a 4-hour. Man, look at a 4-hour on ES. We got 4 minutes until this 4-hour prints. So 4 minutes. Remember that, 4 minutes, y'all. We can take our time. We don't gotta rush nothing. We got news coming out soon. Man, hey, that's crazy. I just happened to look. I was like, okay, where's my email that I passed my account? Keep looking at this delta. See. Uh-oh. Hope the buyers don't dry up. I'm going to 15 minute. 15 minute, nice. 3 minutes to this 15-minute prints. Nice bounce of this 15-minute demand. Tap into this demand. Hit that liquidity. That's nice. Nice play. We got 3 minutes left until this market. All of the time frames reset. Waiting 3 minutes, and then we're gonna get that news. We're gonna get that official cash rate. See what that do. See how volatile that gets. Oh snap! What am I doing? There we go. Hey yo, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Give me a second. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. We back. Let's see what happened. All right, so 30 seconds. 30 seconds. That's all we got left. Looking for something to hold this thing. Damn, we pushing higher and higher. Eight seconds left. It's about to get volatile. Here we go. What a pop. My goodness. All right, so everything just printed. Let's see. You can get the 15-minute break, and get the 30-minute break, and get the ooh, look at that. Oh, look at that pop. Here we go. About to get crazy. I might take a long if we stay above this previous day high. Might take a long. But we ain't got a wick. We ain't got no wick though. I don't like that. All right, we're on the account that I really wanted to trade on. Here comes the rain. We got a 15-minute supply zone right here. I think we're about to tap into that. Let me look for a spot to get in. 15-minute supply. Well, we already tapped into it. Never mind. Man, this market moving fast. Really fast. See if we get a rejection right here. If we can get a nice and clean rejection, that'd be nice. That'd be real nice. Also get a rejection at ES. See if we can get a rejection at ES. Nah, looks like we're gonna get that push. Looks like we're getting a push. Let me look for a retracement and then get it long. Let me see. We might get that push, but then again, yeah. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. See what happens right here. Man, these kids, man. $55. Oh, are we getting that push right now? A 15-minute. Yeah, we might get that now. Bop, bop, bop. There we go. So I knew that rain was gonna come in. All right, let's go. think these longs gonna still come in. We're gonna see. These longs looking strong. Hey, I'll be right back. All right, we back. What's the announcement? We got one at 9:10. The one at 9:10 is press conference with FMOC Waller. We're gonna see what that do. Maybe nothing, but we're gonna see if we get this rejection right here. That'd be nice. Look at the 15-minute. 15-minute, 4-hour. I think we're gonna keep on going long. I don't know why, but I feel like them longs are gonna just continue to come in. Let me look at. I'm gonna stay on the 5-minute. Stay on the 5-minute. Rejection. No, we're getting. We coming overextended. I'm gonna have to be patient. I just want us to make sure that we. Are we going for this? Are we going for this high right here? Are we going for this high? Underneath. We're above the previous day high. Today could be range bound. I think we're going long. I just gotta find my entry long. We got like a couple more minutes. Ooh. Feel that you got right here. It's really raining right now. Amazing. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. What are we gonna see? Are we gonna get the follow through, or are we gonna get the break? Yeah, it's already pushing, man. But it's overextended. That's the catch. Especially on this 15-minute. Yeah. Gotta be careful right here. It's looking bullish. It's looking bullish. It's looking bullish. I just don't want to buy when that news come out. I'm waiting 30 seconds. I don't want, I don't want something crazy random news come out and just drops the market because everybody wants to sell. Look how it's looking bullish though. Yeah. It just keeps grinding higher. A lot of buyers. I ain't seen not one seller on the books. Not one seller. That's what's crazy. Hey, they say don't fight the trend. All right, so news came out. Let's see if we get that pop. I think we're about to get it. I might wait for a retracement and see if we can get a pop. I think it's best if I wait for a retracement. Do you live in LA? The rain has been bad over here. No, I live in Louisiana, LA. That's where I live. Louisiana, LA. All right, we about to get this pop. I'm about to see. Hold up. Make sure I ain't fooling myself. All right, I'm gonna take a long right here. Put my stop below. Knew that rejection gonna come in. We are overextended. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. We are overextended. You're gonna drop. See if we can stay above this previous day high on ES. See if we can stay above that and go higher. See on 5 minute. All right, we got stopped out. Negative 19. This right here hurts. We up. Can we get that follow through? I'm about to put it. Oh, I think I added too much so fast. That's okay though. So we can get that pop right there. We got it. 134. Nice. 134. Got that pop into that liquidity. Alright, let's see what else. We still got this liquidity that lies above. We're gonna see if these longs continue to come in. We're gonna see. I wanna see a respect right here. If we can respect this liquidity, this internal liquidity. IBSL. That'd be nice. Hey, it's so weird. Power's been going out. Like there's been a lot of surges going around. So weird with like power companies and stuff. So weird. We are right above this previous day high on ES. Let's see on NQ. Can we get the pop? Yeah, I think it's about to start pumping along. We're gonna see if we can get. If we get a rejection, then that's cool. But we got 1 minute left until this 15-minute closes. 16 minutes on that. 40 on that. We're gonna see. Or we're gonna be range bound. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. See if it wants to give it. I would think it would want to tap into this 4-hour supply, at least on ES. Look at the 4-hour on NQ. Can we get the pop? I think we're gonna continue to go long. I think so. I just gotta look for an entry. My rejection point for an entry, I really want to see my entry tapping somewhere right here. I want to see us come back to that previous day high, and just respect it, and then I go long again. That's what I want. Ooh, we're gonna see. Cause it still looks long. I'm not taking that. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Are you also live on TikTok or something? No. I don't have 1,000. I don't have 1,000 followers on TikTok. But you can follow my TikTok for sure. It's that guy trades. I need to get 1,000 so I can start streaming live on there. If we stay above this, man, I would like to see us continue to go long. But if we don't, then I'm sure it's definitely coming in. I want to see us reject. I want to see a nice rejection, a clean reject. Ooh, wait a minute. I know I don't see what I think I'm seeing. I know I'm not seeing what I think I'm seeing. Well, we are extended. Might could take a short. Shorts look juicy. I ain't gonna lie. 15 minutes just printing already. $15 minutes just printed. 15 minutes just printed. 5 minute. So we can get this retracement. And if we break this, then you know what's up. I ain't gonna have to say it. Ooh. But the whole overall bias is long. I'm just letting y'all know. We didn't get the break on the 15 minute, but that's cool. I mean, that don't have to mean nothing. We still can go long. The bias still can be long. Can we get this break on ES? Look at that. ES, we got a resistance. Can we get that? Can we break through that resistance? We stand above this previous day high. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. It's a little shaky. We are in some key levels. A lot of indecisiveness from the buyers and the sellers. So I'm gonna just wait because it looks good. Don't get me wrong. This break looks good, but this can reject so fast. Just saying. This can be a big rejection. Ooh, what was that? Pop. Yeah, it definitely was a nice pop off that. Yeah, this long coming in. I just didn't believe in it. I just didn't believe in it. That's all. What made you rebrand from your regular content to trading? I didn't want to look like a prank channel all for the rest of my life. I wanted to look more professional, you know. I started looking up new ideas on TikTok on what I can do. I kind of knew about trading, but I just didn't know how to really get into it. So I started watching videos more on it, and then it stuck with me. I found my interest in it and just stuck with it. I just, didn't want to stick with pranks and being 40, 50 with the idea of, oh, he was that prankster. It gets a little played out, I didn't want to look like that. So I found my new, I love trading. I love what it stands for. I studied it for 3 years. I was doing crypto in 18 and 19, then was losing a lot of money, didn't understand how to really trade it. And then I came back to it and started trading again, and I found futures. Found futures. All right, let's get it back into it. We up 138. I'm not mad at it. That's nice, you know. Anybody would be happy to be up $139 in like a couple of minutes, right? But we are extended. We are highly extended. Can we push higher? That's the question. Can we push higher? Or will this be, you know, a rejection point? We're gonna see. We're gonna see. I don't want to see us rejecting too much. And if we do, then we got a level that I want to come back into right here. Got ES pushing. ES is pushing drastic, just constantly going. Got some liquidity right there. Let's see. Man. I'm surprised, man. Thank God this stream has been doing good. Sellers getting absorbed. Here come the buyers. Bop, we tap into that liquidity. Then we reject. Nice. Every time sellers try to come in aggressively, buyers waiting to absorb it, and then bam, we pump. Right. Not gonna lie, I knew you as the reaction guy, but I get what you mean. Some of my friends still be watching your reaction videos. Crazy. I'm surprised I'm even watchable to still stream. I feel like everybody has like evolved. I'm surprised I still watch reactions. I haven't watched a reaction video in so long. The only thing I would watch is like I've seen Streamer University. I've been watching that. You know, I've been not reacting to it, but I've been watching that. But reactions haven't been doing it at all. Man, this long's looking good. Man, these longs looking good. I just want to see a retracement so I can get into a good entry. Alright, so we are above this 4 hour. See? We are above this 4 hour fair value gap on ES. I like that. See if we can stay above that on a 15-minute. Let's see. See if we can stay above that. Can we retrace back down into this point? Retrace back down to this point and get into a long? That'd be nice. That'd be nice. Right. Sucks every time I see this. Look, we was up on this and it was ineligible. I forgot to switch it, but that's okay though. It happens. You don't want to buy too many accounts and blow them too fast anyway, unless you're confident in your trading. I'm not gonna be on too long, guys, because I do have an off period. I gotta save this battery, and I know this computer get hot real fast. But shout out to everybody that's in the chat watching though. Really appreciate y'all. Really. Are we getting that push? And we are overextended. I'm just letting y'all know. This thing can tank in no time. I'm just waiting for them sellers, the buyers to dry up so we can see them sellers come in. Them sellers come in. Hey, the delta is 1,000 right now. It's a positive 1,000. It's funny how the delta is 1,000, but we're not pushing higher. How funny is that? A 1,000 delta, but no push higher. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. I'm just trying to see if these buyers gonna dry up, and if they dry up, I'm going short for a quick scout. If buyers dry up, I'm going short. Quick scout. See how this 15-minute looks. Dang, 15 minutes still look long. Amazing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, we still got liquidity above. That's what's up. Got any more news before I even do anything else? Nah, I think that's it for now. We in the green. We just gotta find our trade. We just gotta find our trade. Alright, so we got a 5-minute fair value gap right here. 5-minute right there. Just put more zones to see more confirmation, that's all. 15-minute, 4 minutes to that closes. Alright, let's see. What else we got on this 1 minute? 5-minute, we haven't got a breakout. Market is... You know what's funny? We got so much volume right now. That's 10K volume right now. It almost as if the market trying to figure out which way are we trying to go. We're underneath this internal buy side liquidity on the 15-minute. So that's alarming. We got 4 minutes until this 30-minute. So we're gonna see. We might start pushing higher. See. Volume's picking up. Volume's picking up. Volume's picking up. They're expecting a break, but remember that sellers are getting absorbed. See that? Sellers are getting absorbed every time we get aggressive sellers, they get absorbed, and the buyers keep pushing. I'm gonna see about a long. Well, I didn't mean to have a long right here, but okay. There we go. All right. Shall I go heavy? I'm gonna see you in a few. All right. I'm gonna see about adding more. Hold on, y'all. Be back. All right, let's get it. All right, let's see. Are these sellers? Are these sellers coming in? We're gonna see. We are overextended. Shorts can come in. Just trying to get more confirmation. Let me get out this trade. I might have to get out this trade if we don't get that pop. Delta getting thin. Delta getting thin. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. So much volume, but we ain't got no reaction. Content is still big, but on the form of YouTube shorts, people like Sam Books. Sam Books? Huh, who's that? Oh dang, I got rid of my live stream. I'm tripping. Y'all give me a second. Let me put back up the stream. My bad. People still like Sam Books? Never heard of it. Are we getting that push? 30-minute and 30-minute in like a couple of seconds. I gotta be careful right here. Let me get out. Let me get out. I'm gonna get out of this. I'm gonna be careful right here. Because 30-minute about to print in like a few. Okay. See if these sellers get more absorbed, and we can buy some more sales. That was a big drop. All right, let's see. Are we gonna reject right here? 30-minute just print it? Nope. 20 seconds left until it's 30-minute prints. Let me get rid of this. Print 30-minute just print it. 15-minute just print it. See what we got right here. See what we got right here. Not gonna be on too long, guys. I got about a good 30 minutes left. Make sure that we are. I'm waiting for more volume. Hey, y'all, be right back. I'm gonna go check on my kids real quick. Be right back. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's see where we at. Sorry, y'all. I'll be gone. Are these buyers coming in? Can we get these buyers? I'm just looking for a good sell point so I can buy. That's all I'm looking for. If we continue to push, then I'm just gonna buy it. But I'm waiting for. But we are, man. This is a strong. We are hitting. Man, we're hitting a ceiling. Might see some rejection. Let me get rid of this. That don't mean nothing. Might see a rejection. If we don't continue to push, we might see a rejection. But I gotta see the sellers. I gotta see the buyers dry up. If they don't dry up, then we're gonna continue to go long. Just being honest. And we're not breaking. What is this? Can we get this rejection? Look at a 1 hour, 30-minute. Can we get this rejection? It'd be nice to see a rejection. Hey, yo. Might be a clean rejection. Uh-oh. Hey, I want to see these. I want to see these buyers dry up before I even take this short. I gotta see it. 5 minutes into this, I mean, 30 seconds into this 5 minute closes. Might see if I can get a quick scalp short. We are so extended. Uh-oh, here come the buyers, right back up, bow. They just take control so fast. But we're not breaking. So much buy liquidity, so much delta, but no break. Does this mean reversal coming in? We see so much delta. We see so much green delta, right? Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm sorry, y'all. My kids get crazy. I'm trying to keep them occupied before I get off. Cause once I get off, then I gotta spend time with them. That's how it goes. But they get so antsy to come and see. All right, so here we go. We got the sales coming in, right? Are we selling off? Let's see. But that can be a fake out, cause I don't see no confirmation for the shorts. That could be a fake out. Look for retracement. Get the retracement. Then go for the buys probably. Let's get sellers getting absorbed. Bow. All right, let's see. Just gotta be patient. Market is sideways. I'm about to get off in like 20 more minutes. If I don't find a trade, I'm gonna just get off. Here we come. We're having a rejection. Might grab this short too. I might grab it, but there you go. Sellers are getting absorbed. Here come the buyers. Let me see if they continue to hold this point, then that longs will come in. But if the buyers dry up, then we're gonna see that short. If the sellers continue to get absorbed, then we're gonna keep going long, because on a delta it's still positive. Uh-oh. Ooh, shorts coming in. We're gonna see. It's getting interesting. This is an interesting area. We bounce off this internal buy side liquidity. We're gonna see if we continue to hold this buy side liquidity. If we can hold this, then that'd be cool to go long. I just need more confirmation to go long. Because if not, then this will be trading the chop, trading the range, and I don't want to trade that. But we could be fully extended. I just want to see the buyers dry up. That's all I want to see. I want to see us on the delta and the footprint that the buyers are drying up. Once I see that, I'm taking my trade short. If the buyers continue to show it as the stronger aggressor, then I'm gonna continue to go long. We got 1 minute into this 5-minute prints, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see who's in control. But right now, this is a strong key level because we were just waiting on confirmation. Everybody's waiting on more information to print. Once more information develop, then we can get our option on which way the market gonna be at. Because you don't want to be on the wrong side of the market. We was on the right side of the market going these longs, and that's how we got this this profit of 1262 on our eligible account. But now I'm on my actual account, and I need to just continue to stay focused. Can these buyers hold up? Can we get more volume? Can we get out this range? That's the question. I think so. I just need more confirmation. 7 seconds to this 5-minute prints. See 15-minute, 5 minutes into the 15-minute prints. 5 minutes just printed. All right, let's see what we got. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, the buyers are holding up. Even though the sellers are keep pushing in, they keep getting absorbed. So it's probably gathering more information so we can continue to go long. $15-minute. I might take a long right here. Dang, it really put me at a weird spot for a loss of 30. Can we get that pop? This range ain't making it no better. We got a lot of deltas. Positive delta though. Oh, there go the rejection so quickly. Sellers get absorbed. Can we get that push? That follow through? I hope so. But we are being extended, so we might see a drop. Might see a drop. Might see a rejection. Might see the rejection. And the sellers got absorbed. I'm gonna add on to this one. See if we can get that push back up to the longs. I'm out of that one, up 450. Got one runner in there. Nice. Nice. Man. Good, good, good. Good, nice, nice, nice. Let's see if we can get that push. But hey, we still in that range though. That was a quick scout for 450. Alright, so we are 450. Nice. I'm still thinking buys because I don't see no sellers on the tape. That's what it is. I just don't see no sellers on the tape. And then they come right here. But that don't mean anything to me. I get that drop, get that puppy up. There you go. Hold on, y'all. All right, we're back. Gotta always gotta handle those kids, you know. All right, let's go. Where we at? Oh yeah. Okay. Ooh. Can these buyers push? Can these buyers push? Can these buyers push? We in range though. It's a tight range. Let me get out of this. I don't like the range. It's looking like a potential short might come in. If the buyers start drying up, the shorts are coming in. If the sellers continue to dry up and get absorbed, then the buyers going to continue to go long. But I'm just waiting on these buyers to dry up. Once these buyers to me look dry up on the delta and the footprint, I'm going in. Uh-oh, hold on. Are we holding that level? Are we holding this level? Wait a minute. You don't want to get faked out because you know how that go. Getting faked out ain't cute. I'm looking at 15 minute printed. 15 minutes just printed. Let me see. Let's see. See if these sellers get absorbed. These sellers can get absorbed, we good to go. I gotta get off in like a few more minutes, y'all. My kids want me. Might just take these profits and just call it a day. Call it a day. We in range. Uh-oh. Hope we don't see that that move, this move right here. Sometimes I don't like this move. I'm gonna show y'all. Excuse me. This move right here be annoying. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This right here. Can we get out of this? Nice little diamond. Can we get out of this diamond? Let me add this to my thing because I like this one a lot. I really do. Wow. I like the diamond. Can we get out this diamond? Can we get that push? Ooh. Can them buyers? Can we get that push? We are overextended though. Nice little pump. Let's see what happens right here. Look at the 15 minute one more time. Kind of get my mind on it. Put my mind on it. Like Ross. All right, let's see. See anybody in the chat say anything? Nobody in the chat. Also, remember that, y'all. We got that 90% off. Go get that 90% off. Use that code that guy. Let's go do that. 90% off. It ends tomorrow. Just saying. It ends tomorrow. Okay? I don't know. Even though the sellers coming in, I want to see these These buys still holding up. It looks like it just keep absorbing these sellers and just keep going long. We're gonna see. We in range though. Might just take my profits and call it a day, cause this range is tough. I mean, it's not tough. It's just it's persistent. Persistent range. You know what? Might take this long. Put my stop right here. I want to see if we can get that pop. I want to see if it don't, you know, tank on me, but that's okay. Yeah, it might. It might. All right, it stopped me out. We are in range, so I'm just gonna have to wait it out. Fake out. Nah, that was a nice little play. Yeah, shorts might come in. Try for a long game. Put my stop below. I think it doesn't want to hold this. There we go. Nice little push. Can we get the push? There we go. I'm gonna take off 30 right there and leave one runner. All right, so we up 843. Nice. Wow. That's how you do that. Good job, y'all. Up 843. Clean moves. That was clean. I ain't gonna lie. That was a real clean move right there. I like that scout. Real clean scout. All right, I'm about to get off in like 7 more minutes and then I'll be done. 7 more minutes. Make sure we now on that. Okay, make it show. All right. Go back to this delta again. Man, I'm just waiting for that breakout. We get that breakout. We in there. Man, we so overextended. I just want to see these sellers. I want to see these buys dry up. If the buys dry up, we know the short's coming in. If the buys don't dry up, the sellers gonna keep getting absorbed, and then we're gonna keep going long every time. We are in range. Let's see if we're gonna break this range. We've been in this range for the past. Man, we've been in this range almost for the past hour. But good thing we're finding quick scalps in this market to take. I just want to see more volume. The volume is it's there. It's just we're in a tight range. All right, got stopped out. Up 833 though still. I mean, the sellers are cute and all, but I just want to see. We might have to come and absorb some more sellers, and then we're gonna bounce up and go long. We're gonna see it. See if it happens. And if not, then we're gonna continue to respect this area and then keep going along. See if we play on this. I didn't ask for you. Like I said, guys, I get off in like 4 more minutes. I gotta get back to the kids though, for sure. But shout out to everybody in the chat watching though. I don't know, the Delta's looking heavy. Well, it's not looking heavy. We still even on the Delta. We still even. So I might take my profits and go. We up 833. We did a good job, y'all. We did it. We did it. We did it. Good job. Still rangy though. Yeah. I'm gonna take this. Don't like it. Don't like it, coach. Shorts might come in right now. See that drop. Delta's still positive though. Delta's still positive with no push. But I want to see the buy. Ooh, hold up. We'll look at a 5 minute. See if we get the draws in the sales. Ooh. Are we drawing up? No. We in range. It looks good. The shorts do look good, but hey, you don't want to get caught up into that trap. You don't want to get trapped. You don't want to get trapped. Just waiting for more confirmation. All right, nice short, nice short. That was nice. That was nice. That was nice. That was cute. Are these buyers drying up? That's the question. I think they could be possibly drying up. The more confirmation, the better. Nah, I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Alright. Let me add one long right here. If it give it to me. There we go. I'm gonna stop below this low right here. Alright, we in 2. Shorts might start coming in right now. It's looking heavy. 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 We're gonna see. See if we get stopped out on this part. that. I don't like that. All right, I'm gonna add more right here. There go the buyers. Adding more. I'm in 32 micros. All right, put my stop. See if we can get that tap. Get that push. Get us out 30. All right, we out 30. We up 1661. All right, so now we in 2 left. Nice trade. Just scalping away in this see money take money type of market, right? All right, I'm about to get off in a few, y'all. Actually, I want to see how much we got left. Let me see. Look at our charts. Look at our balance. Oh, we need about 100 more. Bet. All right, 100 more, and then we pass it. 100 more, then we pass it. See if he'll give us that push. See if we get that push to the longs. Let's see. See if we can get that push. See if they'll give us that push. And if not, then you know the shorts might come in for sure. Come on, let's get that push. I'm gonna get out of it. I gotta go. Alright, y'all. That's it. That ends that stream. I hope y'all really enjoyed the stream. Look, get that 90% off Apex deal. We up 1,200 on the day. We did good. Give yourself a round of applause for all of y'all that was in those trades. We did good today, guys. 1,200. 90% off on Apex Trader Funding. Use that code, that guy. It's in the chat. It's linked in the chat. Go look at that. Go look at that. Also, James chapter 1 verse 12. Blessed is the one who preserves under trial, because having stood the test, that person received the crown of life the Lord has promised to those who love. You stand those trials, you stand those tests, those problems, those situations in your life, and you stand stronger in them without giving in. God is going to bless you with the crown of life. God is going to bless you guys. God bless you guys. I love y'all. I pray that y'all have a good day, a blessed day. And I'll see y'all in the next stream. Have a good one.